Brussels sprouts are one of my favorite veggies. Although they're not that popular with a lot of people, I love them. The recipe I want to show you today is taking Brussels sprouts, kicking them up a notch with just a couple of ingredients, but making them a real people pleaser and everybody gets to enjoy them no matter what time of year. I take my Brussels sprouts and I just throw them into a microwave safe bowl, add just a splash of water and defrost them for about 3 minutes. While our Brussels sprouts are defrosting, I'm just gonna take just a regular pan. Any old pan you got will do, as long as it's not that deep. That's the trick to this recipe, is making sure that it's no more than maybe a couple of inches deep at most, only because you want the heat of the oven to penetrate all sides of the Brussels sprouts and cook them evenly. And what we're gonna do for this recipe is actually incorporate bacon, one of my favorite vegetables. The next thing I wanna do is take about 10 to 12 slices of bacon and slowly start cutting them up into maybe 1 centimeter slices or pieces. This may seem like a lot of bacon to some, but there's never too much bacon in any recipe. So once our bacon has been cut up, let's try and separate it just a little bit. This feels so good. And move it along into our pan and just kind of try and spread it out evenly for now. What we're going to do is actually mix it in with our Brussels sprouts after they come out of the microwave and they've defrosted a bit. Now our Brussels sprouts are out of the microwave. They're defrosted but not 100%. They're still kind of firm, and this is what you want with them. The next part is a little on the tedious side, but it makes a difference. Just slicing the Brussels sprouts in half. So now we have a pan full of chopped Brussels sprouts and bacon. Next thing to go in is a little bit of salt, some fresh cracked black pepper, just like that, a drizzle of olive oil. Doesn't take much because you're gonna also have the fat rendering off the bacon. There you go there. And the kicker here is also a little balsamic vinegar. Oh, lost that. Just for that sweet kind of glaze, that caramelization that's gonna kind of bring everything together. And we just start mixing with our hands. Mix this all up so it's all evenly coated with the olive oil, the salt, the pepper, the balsamic. From here, we're gonna pop it into a 425-degree oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. The Brussels sprouts don't need much time, but you wanna make sure that the bacon has kind of cooked away and rendered, and you're not having undercooked bacon. Alrighty, so these are just out of the oven now. They are absolutely perfect. I'm actually gonna put my glove back on, and what I'm gonna do is show you. Look how perfect they are. The bacon is perfectly crisped up, fully cooked. The Brussels sprouts have been cut in half and they've cooked through and through. There's some caramelization from the balsamic vinegar. The aroma is fantastic. You have this sweet saltiness. Amazing. What I'm gonna do is grab a fork real quick and try it out. I'm gonna take a piece of bacon as well. Look at this. So good. It's perfect. The Brussels sprouts have a bit of sweetness from the balsamic that contrasts with the salty smokiness of the bacon. Amazing. You have to try this. This has comfort food written all over it. It has go with everything written all over it. So, having said that, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're gonna make this for yourself because this is really amazing. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a message below. email, whatever. I love getting your questions, comments, or suggestions, so please keep them coming. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. I love getting new subscribers and spreading my message of an untrained home cook that can make food like this. If I can do it, you can do it, and that's a trick. So get your asses in the kitchen, make something. You're gonna love it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.